put your low E and high E string on. Now this is a wraparound bridge, which means we need to insert from underneath, and it wraps around and sits in the saddle like so. I'd put the low E and the high E onto the bridge first, then put the saddle, put the bridge in place. Just get to quickly tighten those strings. And remember, the bridge will be on a slant, and that's fine. We'll need to change this. Obviously, the slant should be leaning back the other way. We need to compensate for the thicker strings, not the smaller strings. Okay, so that should be all our hardware installed. So next we'll move on to wiring up the guitar, and from there we'll do a final setup.